It's day, I have no idea, of this quarantine, and we are going absolutely nowhere. It is Mike. It has been a while since I've posted, and we're just out here. It is a little bit of a squall, but it is a beautiful, beautiful spring day, despite the fact that this is day, I don't know what, of quarantine. So what have we been up to? We have not been out driving. Let me show you. I don't want to get too wet here. I'll just run out in the rain for a second. We have been out there. We have been planting our crops. Right now it's raining just a little bit, and fortunately it's soaking everything in. We have a new crop of strawberries, we have raspberries, we have lettuces, spinach, planting our tomatoes. We have turned farmers. We are being somewhat self-sufficient, if we can be at all, because we don't know what's going to happen to the food supply. Hey, speaking of that, I hope every one of you are doing okay. I hope you're safe. I hope you're respecting quarantine, and you're respecting yourself and you're respecting others. It's been absolutely crazy. I mean, it's as crazy as the wacky weather. Look at this. It was pouring, it was dark 2 seconds ago. Now the sun is out. If we're lucky, we're gonna get a rainbow. Gonna get a rainbow right up there. That's usually what happens right around this time of afternoon. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. It would be great to share a rainbow with you guys. Everyone could use a little bit of a rainbow every now and then. So what is going on? Well, let's see. Haven't driven the Mustang a whole lot. Turned it around in the garage the other day just so the tires don't get a flat spot. Everything here's been pretty quiet. We're staying in. We're having our groceries delivered. We are, maybe being a little bit nuts about this whole quarantine thing. But I gotta tell you, taking it serious. Like the first week when the stuff started coming down, I got sick. I got real sick. Doctors said no testing for you because I didn't have a sore throat. But I have to tell you folks, they don't really know what the symptoms of this wackiness are. So they're just saying, if you don't feel good, stay home until you feel better. It would be great to know if I had the dreaded, you know what it is. But I might never know. Maybe down the road, once the crisis is subsided, then we'll be able to get some testing. We'll know whether we have the antibodies, whether we have some resistance to everything that's going on. So in the meantime, just looking for projects around here to do. That's the last cold brew in the house, and it is tasting mighty fine. Check this out. See if I can do this without putting my finger in the way. It is spring. Everywhere you look, you would never guess that there is a calamity going on around us. So we're just here at the Mike Fyxdt compound, chilling, enjoying, making the best of it, staying healthy, staying fit, staying positive. And hey man, I just missed posting, and I missed your comments, and I sincerely hope all you guys are doing great. That's it. Was hoping to get out to the American Muscle Car Show in June. I don't know what's going to happen with that. I was hoping to put a spoiler on the Mustang. Still might do that. Still have some plans for a little garage renovation, make it easier to work in. And I don't know. It's uncertain times. I'm going to be positive. I'm going to send my best wishes to all of you. Like I've always said, it means just as much today. Be good, be well, be safe, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching this short video. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.